Hello everyone, this is Yuki from Durmapress. Today we would like to introduce a new design of our torsion bar bending machine to you. Previously, the third model of our torsion bar bending machine was exploded outside. Some customers reported that this might cause the sheet material to fall from the back and injure the third motor. We immediately carry out a free upgrade. This is our newly upgraded collision prevention design. The third motor and the synchronous band have been surrounded with the collision prevention design, ensure the safety of the motor. Durmapress has been committed to maintain the customer experience and improving the quality of the machine. Okay, so much for today. If you are interested in more details in press break, please contact Yuki. Bye bye.